So would you recommend people to check their fluids before they go on a trip?
Before you go on a trip, you certainly need to make sure that your engine oil is full and that your coolant is full.
Mm.
Those are the two that really need to get checked. With some cars, you can check the power steering fluid, but it generally doesn't leak much. Or you can just bring it to us and we'll do a trip check. We do a lot of those in the summer.
Nice.
We go through and that's precisely what we do. We check the fluids, the maintenance stuff, how your tires are doing. We'll get a quick look at the brakes. We'll make sure there's no suspension components that are going to give you trouble on your trip. We also check the spare tire, make sure if you need a spare, it's got air in it.
Right, because you never know what you're going to step on, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Now bring your cars to High Road, guys.
Custom maintenance done right.